Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. Of course, looking at the daily chart here, where of course Bitcoin has finished the bearish cycle at 15,000 all around, and of course we have started a huge impulse as a bull run, of course 1 2 3 4 and a 5, and currently we are still in the wave 5 towards the upside and still looking of course to finish this wave 5 of 5 of course, and to finish this bull run. In this wave 5, of course, we are looking at several 1-2s, and the same we are looking for several 4-5, which it is a much more preferable that the 4-5, of course, range inside is this upper part of the mid line here of this acceleration channel, which is taken, of course, from the wave 2 and based on the wave 3. We are still ranging with the price inside this acceleration channel, meaning the price wants still to accelerate towards the upside, and of course touching of course probably this midline of this acceleration channel several times, preferably because of course we have several 4-5s. Now, as you can see as well, the price action has moved somehow lower, where we have of course reject the lower or the bottom of this acceleration channel in your wave 4 and moving of course for higher prices. So we are looking for a 4 or 5 of course to reach this midline of the lower part as well, where we are heading to of course in this next bull run. I mean, a next rally for Bitcoin, of course, because we're gonna see probably, of course, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and of course one more wave 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 to finish, of course, this bull run and probably over 130, 140k. We're gonna see, of course, and estimate this step by step. Now, looking, of course, on the counting for this channel, for this last trend, we are in 1 2 1 2 1 2, so triple 1-2s, finishing 3 4 5 for your white scenario, finishing, of course, the orange wave 3 and the orange wave 4. Now we are looking, of course, after this impulse toward the upside, which it is your wave 1 and then 2 and then 3 4 5. Of course, looking for higher prices in case that this is your wave 1 here. It might be, of course, a very high 1-2 here. And of course, if we have a wave 3 for an impulse, we might, of course, reach the 135 even K for Bitcoin. Now, of course, we are looking at this 1-2 here, taking this high, considering that this is your wave 1, but actually the wave 1 has finished a little bit lower, I would say, in this top of this candle when we enter, of course, in the 4-hour chart. So I would say like 130k is a perfect target, which is in confluence, by the way, exactly with the wave 1 here taken in orange, and based on the wave 3 or this top of the wave 3. Let me check exactly where we have topped here. Yeah, it might be even in confluence between the 136 and the 130 dollar for 130k dollar, of course, for Bitcoin. So let's move a little bit inside this wave, what's going on today and yesterday, what happened. So our last video yesterday, we said, yeah, we want to finish, of course, this correction exactly in the 1-to-1 fib level, right? Where we are heading here as an A, B, and a C. Your wave C is an impulse 1 2 3 4 5. Here we go, reaching this wave 5, and exactly after the 1-to-1 fib time for a wave 4 taken from your wave 2 here. In case we are in a wave 4, of course, we are still inside this impulse because we did not invalidate the bearish scenario. Yeah, we did not invalidate this impulse toward the downside, so probably we might, of course, move for lower prices for a wave 5. Very possible to finish, of course, this wave 2. And after finishing this wave 2, I would remind you, of course, with your big impulse here as 1 2 3 4 5 finished already, and this is your A, B, and a C, which has a much higher possibility here as an expanding flat, of course, where you have a wave C as an impulse, and you would like to finish this impulse with a wave 5. Now, it was preferably to invalidate this, maybe as WXY, because it's gonna be a big move towards the downside again, probably, if we want to take the low. Yeah, so we're gonna see what's gonna happen. Otherwise, yeah, can we call this a bullish scenario here? Yeah, there is a possibility. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There is a possibility, guys. Wow, I just realized that this might be a possibility. I'm gonna move this to the left. Okay. Let's check the possibility of an impulse of a finished WXY, as we said yesterday. WXY finished, and with the wave 2 finished. This is a possibility, guys, of bullish here. What if, okay, we don't need the time anymore. What if that this is a leading diagonal? Here we go. Let's study this. So we have a zigzag here, yeah, where you have wave C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B, and a C, perfect. So this can be definitely a zigzag inside, and A, B, and a C, and 4, 5. Yes, this is very, very possible, I think, guys. Okay, I'm gonna take this. As possibility, yes. So what if that this is a leading diagonal? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very, very high possibility, because it looks like a very contracting, right? And yeah, I would like to take this, of course, and keep it in mind. I don't want to lose the chance of a bullish scenario, right? Which it might be very, very explosive. So in case that this is a wave 2 as well, we're gonna watch the fib levels here. What's gonna happen? We're gonna see the reaction. Now, if we are still bearish, yeah, we're looking for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Of course, we did not forget this as well, because we are bullish again anyway. But I would like to know to not miss the opportunity, because it might start the bullish scenario from here, for example. And yeah, I don't want to miss it waiting for a wave 5 for a low, right? So this is the thing, yeah. Let's watch and see. So we are watching this one as a green, and we're watching a yeah, a bearish one. I mean short-term bearish, I would say, and then moving up again. So this is what I'm looking for. One of these scenarios right now has to unfold. Yeah, so these are the insights for now. And if we take a look at KGT, so on KGT, you can see here on the 15-minute chart, we did not get yet the buy signal. However, the CVD's line, as you can see, is moving toward the downside while we are moving upside, meaning a very nice divergence. Yeah, I think that in case that we drop for a wave 2, as expected for this scenario, 1, 2, we will get, of course, a new buy signal. Yeah, I hope that the buy signal move here, it will be even much more nicer indication from KGT to move, of course, for higher prices. So I would say yes, we are very bullish on the KGT as well. As you can see on the 5-minute chart, a very, very high divergence. Yeah, I mean, if we get here a little bit weaker signals, here we go. You will see, of course, a bullish signal taken from here as a divergence, and it has, of course, moved up this bullish scenario. Now, of course, we have a bearish signal, as you can see, with the current area, and a convergence with this top. And of course, we are looking anyway for a wave 2 or for a wave 5. So at both case scenarios, we're moving towards the downside. But don't forget that the CVD line is moving also towards the downside, getting lower of these signals. And we might, of course, trigger a bullish scenario, of course, from there. So yeah, let's watch and see. So the levels that you need to watch, of course, for a wave, probably for a wave 1, 2, we have to start to take care from it in the 101K, yeah, because this is a minimum requirement for 0.38. And remember, when you are very bullish in Bitcoin, he will not give you a chance. Yeah. When it is 1-2 finished already as well, and he's starting again, he might start even from the 0.23, which is the 102K. Sometimes Bitcoin, it's a very Bitcoin characteristic, taking the 0.23 without touching the minimum requirement for a wave 2 as always, and then moving toward the upside. Letting you missing the trade. So be careful with it. We're gonna watch this, of course. I'm gonna be watching as well, and let you know if anything, of course, happened. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comment, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.